So this is Sycamore Street still, looking toward the west. We're still not able to, that's the east, the harbor direction. Still not able to get this way. Pretty much took all day with the rain and everything, but we did get a good amount of the street cleared on this side. So it doesn't look like it yet, but we can get the cars out at least. These guys here were helping us though, so we kind of owe them, you know. It's just, I don't know, like, how do you even deal with this, you know? Fortunately, we'll walk a little bit up this way too. Fortunately, someone has gotten through to the plowed part up there, so it's possible to get to Cottage, which isn't bad apparently. And once you get to Route 6, then you're pretty much on normal road. So this was I don't know how many hours of shoveling, and then the rain kind of helped. You know, the rain did help, so they're more or less dug out. We talked to him, and we don't know who that is, but that's not going to matter. And that's the situation here. And it's supposed to snow again on the weekend, 13 inches more. So get right up to the pile because the fisheye is not helping. So this is about at eye level, you know, all the way down. And it's only big enough for like a car to get by. They're all good. That's all good. I don't know where the next pile of snow is going to be because that's too high to throw stuff onto. So is that really, so is all of this. And you know, that's what it took to get everything else clear. So cutting through this drift was the majority of it pretty much. And then of course all of this stuff still. And then these guys were digging out in the morning, so they still have to worry about, see what I mean? Like the next set of snow is gonna have to go on top of that somehow, and it won't fit. Kenny and Donna are good. Donna can get out once Kenny's out, and then again we have snow that's over my head. Piles of snow that's you know, not over my head, but I can't throw snow that high. It's over where I can comfortably throw snow. So, and then this is the corner that got plowed, and holy crap, they are not dug out at all, really. I wouldn't want to drive down that. The city has not helped one tiny bit, not one tiny bit. And then that's up toward, this is the road that I would be taking up towards Route 6, which is a good 6 inches of snow because people, I don't know, drove on it, compacted it. All right, I don't want to get copyright for the fucking music here, so this is enough.